Many people measure success using money. They use money as a metric to measure success. And in most of the cases, that's true. But people have this misconception that if you are rich, then only you are successful. See, wealth is a mindset. And what is in terms of financial success, that is whatever you have achieved or whatever in whichever position you are, that is outside. That is your positioning. When you achieve that, you come into that position. So many of us don't know that. Most of people know about this financial freedom. And what is financial freedom? Financial freedom means whatever you think of, you're going to cover that. Means whatever you want, you can just have it. Means you don't have to even think for the second time without skipping a beat. If you want that, you just buy it. You don't wait for any sale or anything like that. That is financial freedom. People are having their private jet, island, helicopters, big home, whatever they want, they just have it. Okay, so that is financial freedom. And when in that case, many people think that if we have that, then people are very successful. But that is not true in most of the cases. There are so many examples. People sold their company for the billions, and then they also feel very empty. We humans want a consistent growth. When we achieve something, after that we want to achieve something more. Yes, we enjoy when we reach over there, and after some time we feel very empty. So we want a consistent growth. But in this video, let's understand two more levels of financials. The first level is financial security. We already discussed about the financial freedom. Financial freedom means absolutely everything is covered. But the financial security in which where your basic needs are get covered, like your home, then your travel, food, your clothes, and that is for, let's say, for 1 year. Due to this pandemic, many people are losing their jobs and people are facing challenges in their business, and they don't know what to do. And in this case, how to survive, that is the question in front of them. And if they have some cash, and on the basis of that cash, they are able to live, let's for a year or few years or few months, minimum few months, then you can consider those people, they are financially secure. Then the second level comes, that is financial independent, in which you don't need to think about for the rest of your life, and you will be able to support your current lifestyle for the same lifestyle, and on that money you don't have to work. Only when you wish that yes, I want to work, then I will, then you can say that you are financially independent. Means you don't need to work for, let's say, 100 years, and that investment giving you support to your current lifestyle. So the financial freedom means absolute freedom. You can buy anything whenever you want. Financial independence means you are living on your investment for the rest of your life. Not only you are supporting yourself, but the people who are dependent on you. And that number may be different for different people. The first level is financial security. You are just able to fulfill your basic needs. Okay. And that doesn't mean you are successful. Many people's success counts in terms of many things. You just get an answer to your any question, and you have a mobile in your hand within few seconds. Many people have many resources, like people, they have many nice friends, relatives around them. That is also wealth. Even the qualities within you, like everyone have many virtues, that is also a wealth. Okay, so the abundance that you need to feel inside out. But just for better understanding about the financial means, you will be able to set a financial goal for yourself. That's why I have created this video. So this is Yogesh Bagul, and thank you.